Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today we're working on a very simple, easy, quick, free pattern. This is the Heather sweater by NHPatterns. It is super cute, and honestly, it takes no time to sew up. Now, I did have to do a little bit of a hack. Sort of a hack. I was using this fabric that is a French terry from my stash, and I thought I had enough, but comes out I didn't. I didn't have enough to make my sleeve full sleeve length, so my sleeves are a little bit shorter than they're meant to. I cut off a little bit and I added longer cuffs because I did have a little bit of extra scraps that I could add a little bit longer cuffs. So that's the only thing that's different. Everything else, it's the same. Another thing is, actually, there's another thing that's different too. The waistband is usually cut in one long piece, so you just have one seam on the side, or on the back, but I didn't have enough for it to be one long piece, so I cut it into two, and now I have two seams on the sides. But other than that, everything's still the same. Super cute, super quick, super comfy. Let's sew it up.
We're gonna start by sewing the shoulders right sides together, and I'm using a serger, but you can use a stretch stitch on your sewing machine. I'm also sewing the waistband right sides together and the shoulder edge of the neckband. I have two seams on my waistband because I didn't have enough to cut it on one long piece. Now we're gonna attach our sleeves right sides together along the arm side. Once that's sewn, I'm going to go ahead and fold it right sides together and sew up the sleeve and the side seam. As you can see, my sleeve, I did not have enough fabric for my sleeve, so I have like a chunk missing, which I'll cut off later and make longer cuffs to offset the missed length. Now I'm going to turn this right side out and clip my neckband and sew it on. If you need help with the neckband portion of this, I do have a few videos on here on this channel that show how I do the perfect neckband. I'm also attaching the waistband right sides together. I'm matching up those seams. You will only have one, like I said, but I have two, so I'm matching those up and sewing them on right sides together. Alright, now for the cuff, I went ahead and trimmed off the extra piece that did not fit, and then I cut out new cuffs to attach. I just did them a little bit longer than what needed to be done. Then I fold them wrong sides together. I realized that they were too wide, so I cut off another piece and made them a little bit thinner, and then I'm going to sew them right sides together to the sleeve. And this is how you would do the cuff. I just had to make my own because of the fact that I didn't have enough fabric. And that's it. Such a simple and quick sew. Hope you love it.
All right, we are finished, and like I told you, it was super quick to sew. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Grab the pattern. The information is in the link box in the box below. Go grab it, sew it up with me, and I'll see you all next time.